अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस का ये दिन एक प्रकार से एकजुटता का दिन है। ये वननेस ऑफ ह्यूमननेस का दिन है।
Prime Minister Modi highlights the importance of pranayama on International Yoga Day, says that it is a day of solidarity and universal brotherhood. For the first time in 19 years, the Ring of Fire solar eclipse and the longest day of summer has come together today. The total solar eclipse is also the first of this year. The solar eclipse started at 9:15 this morning and will go on till 4:03 this afternoon. Meanwhile, temples across the state are being cleaned after solar eclipse ends in Karnataka. Purification rituals are underway and temple doors will be opened for devotees post 4 in the afternoon. India reports the highest single-day spike of 15,413 new COVID-19 cases and 306 deaths in the last 24 hours. Total number of positive cases now stands at 4,10,461, including 1,69,451 active cases. 2,27,755 people have been discharged and 13,254 deaths has been reported. Karnataka reports 416 cases in the last 24 hours, taking the total tally to 8,697 cases. Karnataka has 3,170 active cases. Total COVID deaths have increased to 132 with 9 new deaths being reported. Bengaluru reports 94 new cases on Saturday. Total cases stands at 1,076 with 621 active cases and 393 discharges. 61 deaths have also been reported across the city due to COVID-19. Prohibitory orders issued by Commissioner of Police Bhaskar Rao in Bengaluru from June 25th to July 3rd. Section 144 will be imposed 200 meters around SLC examination centers. Persons found violating orders will be taken into custody immediately. COVID fear for cops in city. 24 cops from Kalasipalya police station contract COVID-19. 9 cops have tested positive for the deadly virus from Kalasipalya police station on 20th June and 15 other cops have also tested positive today. Authorities mulling to close down police station. Meanwhile, 2 other cops attached to VV Puram police station who had contracted COVID-19 admitted to CV Raman Nagar hospital. DCP Traffic Samyalata says cops are undergoing treatment and there was no reason to worry. The coronavirus pandemic has claimed 4,66,728 lives across the world and as many as 89,15,866 people have been infected so far. There are 37,10,530 active cases who are undergoing treatment and 42,33,602 people who have been discharged.